Welcome to a new era of audio production on Modicia OS. Today, we are proud to introduce the Audio Pro Bundle, a high-level professional upgrade specifically engineered to transform Ardour and Audacity into world-class mixing and mastering workstations. Forget about spending hours searching for libraries online. Following our distributions philosophy, you can now install the entire suite with a single click directly from your package manager. In an instant, you will have access to the world's best Linux audio algorithms, including LSP, CAF, Dragonfly, and the X42 suites. Setting up your studio after installation is incredibly simple. In Ardour, open Preferences, navigate to the Plugins section, and start a scan. The system will automatically detect the new LV2 and the SD3 formats, seamlessly integrating them into your mixer. For Audacity, the process is just as fast. Go to the Effects menu, select Plugin Manager, and click Rescan. Within seconds, your new tools will be ready for your tracks. Furthermore, for those who need quick access, every plugin will also appear in the system's Multimedia menu. Dedicated icons will allow you to launch audio processors directly with their original graphic interface, enabling signal analysis and processing even outside your DAW. With the Modicia Audio Pro Bundle, professional sound power is finally just one click away. Happy mixing!